Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today's video is about the reuse of heavy embroidered net sarees. We always have a good collection of heavy sarees, but we only wear it once or twice in some special occasions, and rest they always stays in our wardrobe only. So if you have a good collection of these sarees, you can reuse them to make kurtis, a simple kurtis which you can wear in any functions or any casual occasions. So let's continue the video. So for some wedding occasions, you can try this short peplum style kurti with a long lehenga or skirt pattern. In embroidered sarees, you must have seen that in the middle part where you take the pleats, there you get the heavy embroidery work. So that work you can use in the lehenga pattern and in the bottom of your kurti, where you can see the flare is given. And in the back part you can use that plain net fabric which is always have in the starting of the saree. So that around 1 meter you can use for the back part, and for the neck part you can use the saree's pallu part, which is having a heavy embroidery work. So you can decorate your neck or yoke pattern from that part, and inside you can use the satin fabric to give the linings, and for the lehenga or skirt you can use the can also for more flared pattern, and you can use the zipper also and some tassels in the sides to decorate it further. You will not left with enough fabric to make the dupatta from this saree, so you need to purchase some plain white net fabric and give it to dye to match it with the same color, and then stick the saree's border in the sides of that dupatta to decorate that. If you want a bit lighter look, then you can try this type of simple kurti and sharara pattern. Here you can use the saree's embroidered net fabric to create your kurti, and inside you can add the satin fabric for lining purpose, and the same fabric you can use for your sharara or palazzo pant, and on top of that you can use the plain net fabric which is not having any embroidery work, a simple plain fabric. So this will give a little bit lighter look to your outfit. And for the dupatta you can use a simple net fabric only which you had used for your palazzo, and decorate it with some laces in the sides, and you can use some gota patti work also there. As it's a simple lighter kurti, so just make a simple round neck and give it a boat pattern also you can try there. And inside you need to put this type of satin fabrics lining, and just give it a picot to give a flare in your kurti. Another casual outfit you can create from your heavy embroidered net saree is this kurti with a sharara pattern. Here you can use a simple georgette or chiffon fabric to make this palazzo pant. This is a bit rushed palazzo pant, and dupatta should be from the same fabric, the chiffon or georgette one. And in the kurti you can use simple cotton lining to give a casual look. To decorate the neckline you can use the fabric buttons or potli buttons, and also you can use the saree's border to make the belt in the waistline like this. It's a full elastic band, and here you need to give a cotton lining too to give it a flared pattern. To decorate the bottom of your kurti you can use these type of pearls, latkans or tassels. In the similar way you can make this type of pleated frock pattern kurti also, and use it with the same palazzo pant or sharara pant. And here the top part you can make from the pallu's portion, and the bottom part you can make from the pleated side of your saree. As it's a simple kurti you can use the plain georgette or chiffon dupatta and decorate it with a simple thin gota patti lace. One more kurti variation you can give from your net fabric sari is this stripped short kurti with a garara. And here you need to use the brocade fabric to make the garara pant, and to make the kurti you need to take the portion which is having a very lighter embroidery work in your sari. So just cut that pattern in this type of stripped kurti. Just remember to make the strips a bit thinner, around half inches wider, not more than that, and you can give a deeper neckline to the back side of your neck, which could be around 10 inches deeper. Unlike the previous one, you can make this same pattern kurti with a heavy embroidered net fabric too, and give a lining of cotton fabric. And to make the palazzo pant, you can use any georgette or chiffon fabric. Any synthetic fabric will work which is having a flowy pattern, and you can make this tired palazzo pant to give it a simple and very fancy look. Make the back part plain by using the same fabric which you are using in your palazzo pant, and give it a lining too. You need to work hard on the neckline because the strips you are adding there should be very thinner, and it should be near the end of your shoulder line. To give it a broader look, you can use a deeper neckline around 8 inches deeper in the front side, and in the back side you can give as much as you are comfortable with. Around 9 or 10 inches will work well. Many embroidered net sarees are having a heavy embroidered border, and rest it's having just a booty work in the middle of the sarees. So it's most of the time it's plain and having a heavy border. So with that type of sarees you can create a beautiful and simple anarkali kurti patterns. So to make this type of decent kurti, you need to remove the heavy border portion from your sari, and just use the plain fabric to make the kurti. Inside you can use the satin linings to give it a shiny look, and in the sleeves, in the end of the sleeves, you can decorate that with a sari's border. A little bit border will work well, but don't use it too much in the bottom of your kurti, in the flare part, because that border is too heavy to carry the plain kurti. So just give a simple picot in the end of your kurti, and if you want more decoration you can use the plain gota patti laces also in the kali portion like this, and use the simple golden borders in the end of your kurti. You can decorate that dupatta from the sari's border, and use some net fabric also to make the dupatta, or simple plain chiffon fabric will also work well. If you are making a simple straight cut kurti with a straight cut palazzo pant, there you can use the sari's border portion to make the neckline, as you can see in the image, and also to decorate the dupatta. That border can be used very well. You can make this full elastic palazzo pant with pockets too. If you want a really simple kurti, then you can make this plain high neck kurti with contrast color potli buttons, or you can add fabric buttons too, and add the heavy border in the sleeves part. So hope you find this video a bit useful. If you do, then please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.